Ready to unlock the secrets hidden within financial data using stunning candlestick charts in Tableau. First, connect your data source to Tableau. In this example, we're using sample stock data with columns for date, open, high, low, and close prices. Drag your date field to the columns shelf to represent the time axis, then drag your open, high, low, and close prices to the rows shelf. On the marks card, change the mark type from automatic to Gantt bar. You'll notice thin lines appear, but we'll refine those in a moment. Drag the low price onto the detail in the marks card. Now drag the high price onto the detail in the marks card as well. Right-click on the blank space in the marks card and select Create Calculated Field. In the Calculated Field Editor, create a calculation named Body, using the formula high minus low. Now, drag the Body calculated field onto the size on the marks card. This will create the body of our candle. Create another calculated field to determine the color. Name this one color. Use the formula if close is greater than or equal to open then green else red end. Drag the color calculated field onto color on the marks card. Now, customize the colors for clarity by clicking on color on the marks card and selecting edit colors. Assign green to green and red to red in the color palette. There you have it, a dynamic candlestick chart, revealing trends and patterns in your financial data, empowering you to make data-driven decisions with confidence. Don't forget to subscribe for more Tableau tips and tricks.